Hi, welcome to my cute toons with chalk. Today we're going to draw a little chef. So follow along with me. So what we're going to use today, we're going to use our little pencil. We're going to draw the chef and then I'm going to upload it into my Krita software and then I'm going to color it in. So let's begin. As usual, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the eyes. So I'm going to actually draw a beautiful big round eye here, and I draw it lightly with a pencil. I just draw it lightly because later on I want to make some changes to it. Good, so like that, and there's the two eyes. And then I'm going to draw the pupils, nice big pupils as well, like this. And then maybe a little bit of a light reflection up there as well. And then let's draw the rest of the eye. So the first thing I want to do, I'm just going to draw a little mark down below and another mark here, and I'm going to change the eye a little bit like so. There we go. Good. And then we can just draw the eye nice and round in there as well. There we go. And there's our little eye. Perfect. And now a little eyebrow up there, and maybe we can draw another little eyebrow there. And as usual, I'm going to draw a small little nose right here, right between the eyes. Yeah. And just a little mark there for her mouth. So I'm going to draw a girl. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to actually draw the lips like this, and then a bottom lip as well, and do it very lightly, and later on you can make a few changes if you want. For instance, like this eye, I would make it a bit more round, and this one also a little bit more round than that. Good. And now the next thing I want to do is actually draw the hair. So I'm going to draw her hair up with a wave like that, and I'm going to follow it down like so. And then from this side I'm going to do another one like this, and I'm just going to bring it around like that as well. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually draw the bottom chin, and just sort of a line like that, and then another line like that. There we go. And then just a little guideline there for her neck as well. So next up, I'm going to draw the shoulders. First, let me just draw this part, and then I'm just going to draw shoulders as well, and I'm going to draw another one there as well. Perfect. And then from here I'm going to actually draw her hair. I'm going to bring it down like that, and I'm going to bring another line like this, and maybe just make a little bit of a line like so. And then from here I'm going to actually draw the back of her hair, and then right here I'm going to draw her coat. So chefs have these coats with the buttons that looks like this, two buttons next to each other. Good. And then from here I'm just going to bring it back like this, and there I'm going to just draw maybe a little chest area, yeah, like this. And on this side I'm going to do the same thing, so just a chest area there, and there we go, and there's her jacket. Perfect. And then from here I'm going to actually first draw her hand. I'm going to draw a little thumb, and then I'm just going to draw her fingers like so, and I'm going to connect it like that. So there's a hand. And then from here I know roughly about what my arm's going to look like. My arm is going to go out like that. So let's do that then. So from here I'm going to just draw the arm back, and we're going to do something like this. And then from here I'm just going to draw it like so, and the arm there. So there's a beautiful little arm as well. Good. And then from this side I'm going to draw the hand again. So the hand first, maybe the thumb would be behind her hip, and then her little fingers will go out like this, and I can maybe just draw a rough little hand like that and a mark like this. So her arm will roughly go in this direction. So there we go, and then we're gonna just draw her arm back and another one there, and these are two arms. Perfect. And then from here I want, actually the first thing I think we should do is maybe draw her, let's give her a dress. So she's gonna have a beautiful little dress here, and we can just make it with a few lines, and it can go up like that and it can go down like so, and there's a dress. And then let's just make another piece of cloth right here, and it can there, and we can maybe draw maybe a little cup for decoration, and maybe something that she mixes something in the cup with. Good. Right, and then from here what I'm going to do, we're going to draw the legs. So first of all I'm just going to draw a little line down, and I'm going to say roughly about here is a knee, and then it's going to go down maybe up to here, and then we might have a foot right there. Alright, and then maybe the other leg can maybe go with a sort of a little bend like so, and it can go down like this, and there would be another leg. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to draw a little line like so. I'm going to bring it out because that's going to be a carve, and it's going to go in like that. And then from this side I'm going to actually draw her knee like so, and I'm just going to draw it out and maybe like so, and there's one leg. And then for the other leg I'm going to just draw a rough line just for some basic shape, and you're going to bring it down, and from here maybe that would be her leg as well. There we go, and these are two legs. Good. And let's maybe draw a little foot right there like that. I think that would be great. And then on this side we can draw a little foot, maybe something like that. Good. And maybe like so. Good. And there's her legs. Perfect. And now for her hair. So the first thing I want to do, actually, I want to maybe just draw something like this, because we have to put in her little chef's hat. Maybe like this and like this, and maybe there's a few wrinkles and everything this on this hat. There we go, and there's the hat, and maybe from here we can actually draw her hair down, and maybe like so as well, and there's her hair. And then right here on top we're gonna actually draw a little chef's hat, so, or a big chef's hat, and then it's gonna go like so. There we go, a nice flat surface. There's another bump, another one, another bump, and maybe the hat can go back like this, and there's a chef's hat. And then for the back of her hair we can just draw some hair like so, and there we go. Let's just do that, and there's our little chef. So what I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to actually make her eyes a little bit bigger than this, maybe like so. So that would be her pupils. So then I'm going to color it in like so, just to get a rough idea. Yeah, maybe that would be a great size. That would be a nice size for her eyes as well. So good. There we go. And now I'm gonna put this picture on Krita, which is a free software app where you can actually color and draw beautiful pictures, and then I'll show you how I color this beautiful little chef in.